Dr. Nikhil Datar is founder and chief consultant gynecologist, Datar Nursing Home, medical director of Yashoda Maternity Hospital, and is also attached to Nanavati Hospital and Hinduja Healthcare Surgical as consultant gynecologist. What makes this doctor very special and even more entertaining is the fact that he holds a law degree, an LLB, from the Mumbai University and a diploma in hospital administration. He is also the founder of the Patient Safety Alliance, PSA, an NGO that works for the rights of patients. Known for his legal battle in the famous case of Niketa Mehta, who was his patient, he fought for her right of abortion at the Bombay High Court in 2008 and is currently fighting the case himself at the Supreme Court of India.
As regards my field is concerned, being a gynecologist, I continuously confront some kind of a drama. Yeah? and the field of obstetrics and gynecology as such, actually speaking, has a lot of social implications and a lot of legal implications, because anything to do with abortion, anything to do with deliveries, anything to do with paternity, anything to do with marital discordancy, many of those kind of family planning, most of these issues have some kind of a legal implication somewhere all the time. And I must say that there is a huge gap in the first place about the real knowledge that is what needs to be shown. And the greatest example which I can cite even in today's days is I very recently saw this movie called Badlapur, which I liked, really speaking, to a great extent. But I realized that the earlier first few shots, which were about medicine, particularly about hospitals, here is a situation that the heroine has been shot at a very short distance by a bullet, and she is taken to the hospital, and obviously she is serious, and her husband is informed on phone that she is very serious, and the husband is coming to the hospital. He comes to the hospital. The doctor specifically tells him that your wife is extremely serious and you need to come and accompany him immediately. So the husband goes into the room, and to my greatest surprise and everybody's greatest surprise, and my medical colleague will almost laugh at what I'm going to say if he has not seen the movie, the woman is not on ventilator. She has got a bullet in her neck just a couple of hours back. She is not on ventilator. She is talking. Then why she is serious, God alone knows. And then she has got some oxygen mask from which she is speaking. And when you speak, you obviously bring out some kind of heat. Yeah, so you will get that kind of a fogging, but there is no fogging. And in a span of 30 seconds, the woman just dies. And after the husband realizes that there's something amiss over here, a young woman who has died such a sudden kind of a death, but the husband just whispers, "Call the doctor, call the doctor." And then after some time, two nurses come in. They first stand at a distance of 4 feet from the patient. Then one goes ahead as if she's marching in a military or something of that sort, gives a cardiac shock, walks backwards 4 feet, stands, looks at the monitor, and then the other lady announces, "She is dead." So the gap is huge. And I guess I have a love and hate relationship, particularly being a gynecologist, with the media, because you all can really make or break my practice. Yeah. Now, when I talk of using ventouse or vacuum for delivering a patient, yeah, the reaction has suddenly got changed because of Aamir Khan. Yeah. So patient, I said that, well, look here, there's a problem, and that's why we have to apply a vacuum or a ventouse and get the baby. No trouble. Aamir Khan, go ahead, bindas, no problem. Okay. So they've really made my life easy. And on the other hand, there are situations, and which I'll really quote from what Deepa said, that impact of Amar Akbar Anthony kind of a stuff is so much on our society that when there is a patient who is bleeding after delivery, and I'm begging to the relatives, please organize for the blood, they are sitting calm and quiet. Doctor Sahab, there is no difficulty. I have the same blood group. I will donate my blood, and you can immediately put it to my wife. There is no problem. There is no need of running around. Yeah? That is a kind of an impact, practically speaking, that is there on people. Yeah, that this is how the things can be organized. So I guess what is seen in the movies has got such a deep-rooted impact onto the minds of the people in the society that there is a huge amount of responsibility that we all collectively have to take upon ourselves in order to make things better for us. And I had a personal experience because for the organization of which I am a founder, that's the Patient Safety Alliance, we tried to create some kind of a social media, and I'm happy to say that on YouTube, there is only one single short film of 4 minutes which talks of medication errors made in Hindi called Avoiding Medication Errors, and that's the single film in Hindi on the whole YouTube world, and that is made by Patient Safety Alliance for the benefit of common people. And when I made that film by taking few people with me, I realized that it's a Herculean task, and there's a huge gap between the people who write the script, people who shoot it, and I actually had to stand, literally speaking, like a watchdog in front of them and see to it that the things are written rightly or projected rightly. So there is a huge gap, there is a big impact, and there's a lot more that is possible from medical as well as legal point of view.
I call on stage Dr. Nikhil Datar, gynecologist, lawyer, health activist, and medical expert for ACEE, the Third Eye.
Well, I think I just want to say, Vinta, Deepa, and the whole team, you have done fantastic job till now. Just keep it up. We all are there with you. Thank you.